Everything I seen come from your life. Let natural love flow, let it grow now.
Yo!
Let natural love flow,
let it grow now.
We reason heavy with the garden. We reason heavy with the So, anyone who's just a Irie Coochie and say it's only bad for me, now know what it make me see. Bring me closer to His Majesty. From Babylon it make my mind be free. Far from the system and close to Selassie. Let natural love flow, let it grow now. Let natural love flow,
Yeah, let it grow now. Reasoning heavy Friday nights.
we reason heavy.
Are we the
We reason heavy with the Kali, boy, and the Kali we.
Yes, man, reasoning heavy with the Kali. Big everybody pon party. This is the third Friday in January, the new year. That Friday we there, Jamaican nights. Because Selector Yodo right now stepping in of the baddest coming DJ, this DJ Ziggy. Upon the MIC, this Bounty. So DJ man, do what you do best, come down. Give me some reggae music, come.
This one dedicated to all informer warriors. And this one is dedicated to all newsmonger warriors. Them attack,
Boy,
eradication squad, they bow.
DJ Ziggy and Bounty right now. Them
Attack, flying squad, they bow.
so far we there, nice and easy.
Me no walk with informer.
Sure.
Me no spar with informer. Informer we call them con. I was born with sister down from a dust till dawn. Oh wait, I would make sister Patsy take me anyway. Oh hey, me no afraid of no eradication. Me no afraid of no flying squad. 'Cause I'm on this not a robber, nor a thief. I'm a thief, oh no. I'm on this not a murderer, no way. Yeah, see, him attack, oh, flying squad.
Okay, they mean some now. DJ Ziggy.
Him attack, oh, allocation squad, oh, fire.
Ding dong day. This a combination I see.
You got to get on board tonight.
Say when I'm ready, you must hold on, stay.
We are moving on. It's lightning speed, yeah.
Take a seat and wait. I'm ready, I'm coming, so hold on.
What about the big ship, Nairobi?
Big ship sailing on the ocean.
Remember, we don't need no commotion.
Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh my Lord, I did a big ship sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Yeah.
This is Marco Freddie McG right now.
There is a time,
Freddie McGregor upon it.
but wind is blowing and the
Fishes keep moving. What are you doing, Mr. Man?
sit down, hold on.
You got to get on board Jamaican nights up and running, man.
Big ship sailing
So for we there.
ocean.
Ziggy and Bountykilla.
Don't need no commotion.
The big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh
My
yeah.
Lord, I did a big ship sailing on the ocean, and
What about this time?
Come sing, yo. Sit down by the sea, round the Indian Ocean. Beautiful Seychelles, island me come from. Fishes are moving, the water so clear. Waves are splashing, the ship is all there. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the glitter, so them think
Oh, yeah, Nani. Who feels it no? Voila, this is about this the El Gaga Mill man Kobucha Bansan.
I'll make to the corner when I make it. And that's where they make
It's a Ali Bounce man coming easy, coming nice, yeah?
Don't worry.
No rushing, Nairobi. It's never an easy road, man.
It's not an easy road. How many cities
Come to come by on Elewa side, yeah? Who feels it no? It's never easy.
It's not an easy road. How many cities
Soul for lunch. Who feels it no? This is Ziggy. Ziggy dance. Yo. Okay, more I'm Tony.
My regards to the girl in the black limousine.
Okay, more I'm Tony. Walai. Give her my regard.
Tell her she's the girl of my dream.
Yeah, man, tell her this, man. Tell her that she
Love her.
I want her to be by her side. Tell her that you need her. I want you by my
Side. Give her my regards.
Oh yeah, this is Ziggy.
Give her my regards.
I'm open up playing go my once, huh?
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards.
Yo!
Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine. Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine.
Ziggy.
Give her my regards.
Skia vile ngoma inaanza polite.
My dream.
Skia. Walai. And this is the man called Barry Isis original. Give my regards right now.
Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine.
Roots and culture.
Give her my regards.
I tell her she's the girl of my dream.
Tell her that I love her. Want her to be by my side.
Ukimwona umoja, tell her that you need her. I want her by my side.
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards.
So what you do?
Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards. Give my regards to the girl in the black limousine. Give her my regards and tell her she's to be my queen. Tell her that I love her, want her to be by my side. Tell her that I need her, I want her by my side. Give her my regards whenever time you see her. Give her my regards.
In the meantime,
Give her my regards whenever
you're my
time you see
label.
her. Give her my regards.
Just say Bountykilla. I see.
Listen to them, mama said. Today's music ain't got the same soul. No.
Oh, that's why I love my reggae and the soul. Reggae got soul. Tune punchuna. Yeah, man, this is the man who we son of fuck us right about now. Reggae got soul. Reggae always got some soul, yeah?
Just stay good. these old time records of the shelf.
Reggae.
I sit and listen to them by myself.
The selector Yodo in there.
Yeah. Today's music ain't got the same song.
No matter what. Oh, that's why I love my reggae soul.
My reggae and soul.
Oh, sinipeleke disco Gustavo.
Reggae and soul.
Oh, sinipeleke disco. Skiza. Don't try to take me to the disco. You wanted me out of the flow. Easy.
'Cause in 10 minutes I'll be back to that door. Yeah.
Easy.
If I don't hear my old time reggae and soul, my reggae and soul.
Shout out to Willa Pressure.
My old time reggae and soul, my reggae and soul.
In the meantime,
There'll be no strings to bind your hands, not if my love can't bind your heart. And there's no need to take a stand, it was I who chose to start.
nice and easy, Celia. Aha.
I see no reason to take me home.
Reggae ndo inaanza, tulia.
I'm old enough
Bembeleza walai.
to dawn.
Just do it.
Just call the angel
Of the morning.
Angel, just touch my cheeks before you leave me, baby. Just call the angel of the morning, angel. Then slowly turn away.
Yes, man, my wants. Am I? Selector DJ Ziggy.
Maybe the sunlight will begin. It doesn't matter anyhow.
Yeah, tuko na moto my area, big up. Selector Sun is there.
If morning's echoes
MC Biggie in there. Same
what
side.
I wanted now.
Ali Bounce. Easy no mana.
And if we're victims of the night, I won't be blinded by the light.
Just call
The
me.
angel of the morning, angel, just touch my cheeks before you leave me, baby. Just call the angel of the morning,
Angel. In the meantime,
Since you're gone, I don't know what to do.
shoot, shoot.
Why don't you say
You're sorry and come home.
give love a try?
Don't let it go, man.
Don't let me go by.
So give love a try.
Don't let me
Ushakuwa lonely, skiza. My nights are lonely,
I just,
feeling cold.
why don't you say you're sorry and come
Reggae.
Since you're gone, I don't know what to do.
Ogopa DJ.
Why don't you say
Eh.
you're sorry and come over? Give love a try.
Ziggy Dutch. Don't let it go by.
Give love a try. Don't let me go by. My nights are lonely. I just feel the cold. Why don't you say you're sorry and come over?
Give love a try.
Give love a try.
Eh, eh.
Don't let me go by. Give love a try. Don't let me go by.
Gustavo, hii Januari wewe peke yako ndio uko na pesa eh? Hii Januari wewe ndio dosi peke yako. Ni kubaya. Sio Solfa peke yake wewe jua. It's a Ziggy. Ziggy Dutch. Hey, what's a thing called cherry? Take a ride. Hey, what's a thing? Cherry ripe, Nairobi. A cherry ripe. I talk in bio sour. Hey, what's a thing called? Everybody, take a ride. Hey, what's a thing? Selector. Let's go.
I'm not the sort of person who falls in and quickly out of love. But to you, I give my affection right from the
Yeah, I'm
start.
talking to you, girl, right now. If I have a
lover
who loves me,
how can I break such a heart that you can't get my attention right from the start?
Oya DJ Ziggy, inakuanga warembo eh? Na sioni warembo ndani ya Solfa leo. Leo ni my lion dance in there. Listen, Kinley.
I'm not the sort of person who falls in and quickly out of love. But to you, I give my affection right from the start.
Bountykilla. If I have a lover who loves me,
How can I break such a heart
imagine.
that you can't get my attention right from the
Talk to your girl,
start?
tell her this, girl.
How could you come here
And when you know I got troubles enough, how could you come
me when you know I can't
and make me do what?
Make me lie when I don't want to. Make someone else some kind of unknowing fool. Make me stay
When I should not.
Are you so strong? Or
It's
am
a
I
weakness in me.
Why do you come here?
Super girl, I'm inside right now.
Just passing by.
I need to.
See you.
Bouncy, I need to hold. Kumbatia, mama. It's Ashley, baby. Ziggy Dutch. Ziggy.
Feeling guilty. Worried. Waking from tormented sleep.
Yeah. Yeah. Aya kitambo kidogo, mama. So much. So right now, hizo makengele ni aje? How I say? So far, you said you love me, so Bounty I do. Yes man, bouncing Ali bounce. Ziggy and Bounty. Check how we dance. Come down. Yo. Everybody. She was a what? She was a. Just imagine, Nairobi.
We rolled around on my bedroom floor.
Right some now.
I know she was young, but Lord,
She excites me. And if it touch me, I cry for more.
she give me eyes of love. It feel like
It's a loving right now. Ziggy me. Come again. This is a man called Charlie's original. It's called It's a Loving. Friday nights in a Jamaican night, soul for me there. She was a teenage. Wow.
We rolled around on my bedroom floor. I know she was young, but Lord, she excites me.
Akisani Shika lie. Every time you touch me, I cry for more. What you doing now, Robin?
She give me eyes of love, it feel like salt and pepper. She give me eyes.
Oh yeah, Ziggy. Hii mapenzi ni kama chumvi pilipili kidogo eh.
She give me eyes of love.
Tastes like salt and pepper.
Long time me out of grass, I look it. Left me girl, come back, you say man.
Long way back.
Long time me out of grass, I look it.
Every single Friday night.
Woman, you're the
Right here. Bountykilla.
out of flash me come, me flash
I
me
make
come,
it.
flash it. I mash me come, fi mash
I
me
make
come,
it
fi
my
mash it.
sheets. I run it.
Come fi ram
I
me,
make it run it.
I jam me come, fi jam me. Say long time, them no hear me in a dance. But I was giving other singers a chance. Long time in a chuck it in a dance. Rubbing with that thing till she start to romance. But I flash me come, fi flash it. Whoa, I mash me come, fi mash it. Ram me come, fi ram it. I jam me come, fi jam me.
Selector.
Whoa.
Three blind mice. Everybody, three blind mice.
I'm gonna be your
Ha
number one. I'm gonna love you all night long. Now that I found you, girl.
Now that I found the girl.
Down.
Love my silly.
I don't like to be around because girls like dirt will mash me down. You, I'm gonna be your number one. I'm gonna love you all night long. Just love me right. Don't ever leave my side.
Heal me hiding, look me hiding. Come take a sup of me child.
Sensi minha.
Tis the season, come make we reason. Da da do da day. Heal me sister, look me sister. Come take a sip of me high job.
Yo.
Feel me feeling,
Right.
deal me dealing. Da da do
Hey, my
da
neighbor
day.
Nicky Tambo. It's a long time.
A long, long time I no see you the eye. Tell I how the runnings they run more.
Yo.
Got enough things we go tell of the eye.
I need some music, this is Ziggy.
Some music. I'm gonna play you
Some music.
now. I'm gonna play you
Some music.
Gonna play you so.
Give me high grade. Give me high grade.
Look me I just
Sensi minha.
above me tall wall. This is the season. Come make me reason. Da 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 da.
In the meantime,
It's my master's will.
I see the sun.
Shining today.
I wish I knew. I don't know what it's gonna bring.
You see, I give thanks to come what's meant.
Master's will right now.
Of my knees, remorse.
It's celebration. Original.
That's what you receive. Ain't gonna sit down here.
Roots and culture.
Worrying on free.
Bountykilla. I give a little here. I give a little there. Keep eyes for myself. Life is so unfair. Yes, it's good to share.
When you try to help someone.
Come again. Run it again, DJ Matsumba. Alumbuyeza. La la la.
will I see the sun shining today.
The East operation right
Don't know
now.
what is coming my
The school
way.
masters really get familiar. Took for a long time.
All my weekly morsels I surely thankfully receive. Ain't gonna see
Ukiwa na mingi saidia mwenzako brother. Bonchi. I give a little here, I give a little there.
and keep living for myself.
You know, life is so unfair. Yes, it's good to share
When they try to help
someone else.
never see, it brings me on the earth. You cannot hold on to your golden purse. If there is nothing that you can do, helping someone worse off than you. I gave a little air, I gave a little air.
It's a Ali Bounce, Nairobi.
Life is so unfair, yet it's good to share.
Just sit in the mood, DJ Ziggy and Bouncy. Listen now. Hey, Rabadoo.
We know each other from. We never quarrel, never rock no fight. They say we are the end of revealing. So I slip and I stumble and
Bouncy, try to give a joy. Nobody came to my rescue, so
I pick myself up and
Erico D. Oh,
nobody knows my troubles.
nobody knows.
The sorrows I bear.
Nobody feels the pain that I feel. Rocky, rocky, rocky road. Hey, rocky road, rocky road. Nice and easy. Slow and sure. Ziggy, that's Ziggy.
We know each other from we never quarrel, never rock no fight. They say we are the end.
Awata kusaidia walai.
So I slip and I stumble and trudge through this life.
Kwanza memorial. Nobody came to my rescue, so
I pick myself up and
let's go rocky road, the jungle dreader.
nobody knows my troubles.
Nobody knows.
The sorrows I bear.
Nobody feels the pain that I feel. A rocky, rocky road. A rocky road, rocky road. Hey, selector needs a Ziggy. I'm a selector Ziggy. Unaweza nita Bountykilla. The Alumbuyeza with the Jamaican nights.
Nobody knows my troubles. Nobody knows the sorrows I bear.
And don't you me answer sulfur.
It's the pain that I feel. Trudging through this.
Same artist, different song.
So I slip and I stumble and trudge through this life with joy. Nobody came to my rescue, so I pick myself up and stumble. Nobody knows my troubles. Nobody knows the sorrows I feel. Nobody feels the pain that I feel.
Listen now.
Festival gone to waste.
Wow.
This I want no have no tears. Them come with them so fierce.
Ulikuwa unangoja cheerio baby.
Yes. Boy, what a
Utangoja.
nobody can get no gas.
Chuchu.
No happiness, no day wrong.
This is the recording back to back right now. Festival time, Tinka. Oh yeah, Ziggy. Unatukumbusha December.
Festival gone to waste.
Aha.
This I want no have no tears. Them come with them so
Tuko na Dino my area.
festival in school.
Because Dino there.
Boy, what a festival. Nobody can get no gal. No happiness, no day round. Everybody aware of from.
Nice and easy.
Oh,
Yeah. In the meantime now, Children of Israel, Nairobi.
Children of Israel, walk home now.
Yo.
Long time we are for bound.
Reggae kama zamani we wanaokumbuka ilikuwa hatari. So I come so ini ya mabrother na masisi ndani ya Sulfur skiza walai.
Come on now,
Brothers and sisters, come here.
what I have to say.
You got to listen keenly.
Listen and I will tell you.
Brother was the talk of the town.
Today, for in every corner that you will
We see
you will see a group of
people. What are they doing, man?
they're not skylarking.
They are always talking about.
Ethiopia.
Let's go forward to Africa. Get familiar, man. Take you back time.
Some say they want to leave the rest of the world
The other.
to Africa.
Some say what Sunday.
Some talk about Ethiopia and while
The other.
Liberia.
Hey.
But no matter where the rest
Are
of
in the
here, I know I must be there.
to take I share. What about this
Riches
and delicious dishes?
up in Ethiopia.
The African people writing a dedication to you.
Sing triumphant songs.
Sing it louder. I. Ziggy that's. Janua.
Give us life to live, so let us live.
Day and night.
So oh yeah, don't be nowhere when I'm unsafe.
Selassie I. Jaja give us life to live.
So let us live.
Emperor King. Give us life to live. You know.
The lights of the night and the morning glow.
What we got to do? So I
Got to stay awake.
to meet the rising sun.
The lights of the night and the morning glow. So I've got to stay awake.
This is about this man I know, the wailing soul ponies.
Jaja, give us life.
Let's go, Jack, give us a life to live. Friday nights.
So don't be nowhere when I'm unsafe.
Kuishi sio lazima watu wananyuria mtaani. Shukuru Mola sawa.
Don't be nowhere when I'm
Yo. Smile like
At the
a
corner,
smile. Love like I've never loved.
down your avenue,
I'll be waiting, babe.
and I'll be patiently,
Yeah, baby.
waiting there for you. I said to tune in
In
till the morning.
Every single Friday, tune is right, a soul for launch.
Tune in now, me brethren,
Best of reggae music right here.
'cause I like it like that.
Ziggy Bounty, cause we
I
like it like that. I like it,
I like it like that,
yeah. Cause I like it like that.
So tune in till the morning.
Reggae na sisa itisa,
Tune in now, my brethren. You know how to groove me.
because Sunday,
I
baby.
like the way you move me.
Yo,
Move me
In the meantime, no. Oh yeah, what you to do? What can I do? Niceness. How you feeling tonight? For real? Yeah, man. See, I. This is a man called Ajam Original. Let's call my woman is gonna. Oh well. Oh well, well. What's her name?
Her name is Angela. She always sits on the veranda.
Anytime I see her,
And every time I see her,
my whole
heart wonder.
and it's on honey. Angela, you are my,
Food when I'm hungry.
you are my water when I'm thirsty.
You're my bed when I want.
Alafu waseme orasona misari ya yodo.
Angela, you every breath that I take.
Alafu waseme orasona misari. Sikiza msanii
Darling, there's no say.
anabonga na Angela. In the meantime,
Her name is Angela. She always sits on the veranda. And every time I see her, my heart wonder.
You said you love me dearly, but will it last forever? Can I be sure your love is pure, or will it change with time? I'm yours to have and yours to hold from now until the end of time. But will my heart be broken, or will it last forever? Gone are the days of hide and seek. We must know just where it's at. I'll give my heart, my life, my whole, but please don't leave me in the cold. I'll sacrifice my everything to make this love a perfect one. But there's one thing I'd love to know. Oh, will it last
forever.
my darling?
Knowing you were the best thing that ever happened to my life. Knowing that you care and you're always here, make it seem so right. Years are filled with gladness, there is no room for sadness. The love we share, we care in a special way.
What you do?
You have helped me to see myself when I thought all I need was someone else, and I'll never say goodbye. Looking back together, and the love that
Ziggy, that's Ziggy, rock on, come again. Ndo tumeanza itaki pupa bila pressure, sawa?
Knowing you were the best thing that ever happened to my life.
Malibu,
Knowing that
peleka taxi pole pole, eh?
make it seem so right.
Peleka taxi polite.
Years are filled with gladness. There is no room for sadness. But all we share here in a special way.
On a Sunday,
You have helped me to see myself when I thought all
Sunday anaenda kuweka matawi, anaweka njugu. Akienda kuweka njugu anaweka matawi.
looking back together.
Ni mbaya.
And the love that had it all.
Selector, come again once again. We love this tune, come again, man.
Knowing you were the best thing that ever happened to my life. Knowing that you care and you're always here, make it seem so right. Years are filled with gladness. There is no room for sadness. But all we share here in a special way. You have helped me to see myself when I thought all I needed was someone else, and I'll never, never say goodbye. Looking back together at the love that had it all, holding you so close to me. Sometimes I wonder if we had it all. We had it yesterday, today, loving you was all I ever had. For me to see what tomorrow can be, it's more than a dream come true. I was so unhappy until you came along.
See the moonlight
Sitting in the moonlight,
on the seashore.
wishing you were here to love I some more. Ripples of the ocean, put my thoughts in motion. This ocean of love's into my deep. Close to the water's edge, I'm high on your ledge. I pledge my love, my life to you. Oh girl, what did you do? You said that you were true. I wish I knew your plans. You only wanted to dance. Oh, what a dance, girl. Left me all spellbound, spellbound. It's loving, lover, 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 lover.
Come again.
Whoa, can't you tell us? Sitting in the moonlight on the seashore, wishing you were here to love I some more. Ripples of the ocean, put my thoughts in motion. This ocean of love's into my deep. Close to the water's edge, I'm high on your ledge. I pledge my love, my life to you. Oh girl, what did you do? You said that you were true. I wish I knew your plans. You only wanted to dance. Oh, what a dance, girl. Left me all spellbound, spellbound. It's loving lover I found. Left me out spellbound, spellbound. This cruise is all over town. Says that I've settled down, settled down. True love has found you, boy. Oh, girl, tell her.
So,
Don't just treat me
like a
wife. That's how to mash up our life.
who are you?
I'm not only your wife.
I'm your-
woman, your sweetheart.
Your lover and your friend.
Don't just treat me like a wife.
Wala. Unaambia mtoto wako, mi si mtu wako peke yako. I'm your sweetheart, your lover and your friend in a loverman style. Come again. Hey, kwana open na kidogo Cause we've been married for so long, my baby.
Don't just treat me like a wife. That's sort of mash up our life.
Mwambie, I'm not only your I'm your I'm not only your wife, I'm your sweet sister, lover, your friend, baby.
That's sort of mash up our life. I'm not only your wife.
I'm your sweet sister, your lover, and your cause we've been married for so long. Ay, 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 ay. I have got flabbing voice, it's a story. And suddenly, you're not taking me. Adi bounce, Ziggy and Bountykilla.
Tell me what it's all about. Could there be another
In your
life? And so you're just hugging me and leaving me at home. Don't just treat me like a wife. That's sort of mash up our life. I'm not only your wife. I'm your woman, your sweetheart, your lover, and your friend. Don't just treat me like a wife. That's sort of mash up our life.
shot, right up on now. Remember the
And as you know, it was just a while.
hey.
As you know how the story goes.
The more you more.
Remember we're up.
Yes, man, the more you reap, the more you more. Live it up, higher. Hey. My son. Wale wakupang unapanguza la furusha Listen Nairobi. Oh, it's a flow.
Run from the woman and let the ball on the throat. Sister floor, sister floor. Run from the woman that we ride up the floor. Remember we were just a little child. And as you know it was just a while. As you know how the story goes.
The more you
live, the more you know. Remember we have to start going from one. In order to reach 21. So make we live it and we live it up on ya. Yeah, no, no, nice and on ya. No, no, clever, that's a good run from ya. No, wow. Say paradise down. Yeah. Lot of sea and sun. Happy people having fun. I'm working through the burning sun. And run forward. Bongo Natty tried a lonely road. Bongo Natty met a policeman who said, turn out your knapsack, man. Let me see the position.
Yeah man, Cali weed.
Fall out a bongo man.
Nice and easy.
And said, Lord, look on the evidence. Make me fall down a station. Bongo Natty don't drink no whiskey.
Bongo Natty meditates with sensei.
Cause to him his health is
Aya Ziggy.
and he knows that
Ini ya wale wanatsusikiza bongo.
beg you a chance, Babylon. Set I free. If you want a chance.
Ini ya wale wanatusikiza bongo Amekri.
And Rasta can swear by
The Bible, as is written
in the Bible. Let there be healing seed.
Nice and easy. Ziggy and Bountykilla. Yo, right up on now. Baby, Sabo. Go to a biggie. Listen now.
Give me a woman if I warranty.
We don't want no woman.
Cause she look pretty.
Give me a woman with the warranty. Me no want no woman.
Cause she look pretty.
Living in a world of reality.
Since the time I said
One thing for sure.
one thing we know, that never trick me.
Oh yeah, this is Ziggy, quite industry. Usiwe kuwafala bro. Sawa Ziggy. It don't you be fool, my brother, don't you be fool. Cause every day I hustle. Hey, not everything you say that glitter is gold.
And what about the good?
That is never been told. I need a woman with a warranty. Kuna kuanga na warranty ya 1 year. Kuna kuanga na warranty ya 2 years. Kuna kuanga na warranty ya 10 years. So I need a woman with a warranty. Right about now, if you know, you know. Ooh, baby. In the meantime, sisi hapana mafala.
Turn you away. Very soon
Yo,
you're gonna pray.
tafuta fala mwenzako.
Go find yourself a fool.
Someone to play with, I tell you.
Go find yourself a fool.
Aha. Come again. Don't dada. Yeah man, don't call us original. Go find yourself a fool.
The boys have
Cause I'm not a fool.
away.
You know what I mean?
Very soon you're gonna pray.
Oh yeah, excuse me, mommy. Go find yourself a fool. Someone to play with, I tell you.
Go find yourself a fool. They all say you're no good
Took me away.
and turn you away. That's what I should do.
How you do?
Or to try to be smart. Broke those hearts you can.
So go find yourself a simple guy. Someone.
In whom you can rely. Go find yourself a
Because select how you do.
someone to play with.
Big time, anytime, big up.
Go find yourself a
Rubber dub, Sarah over there. Wale wa sisa itisha upewe sawa. Sisa kwa bei nafuu usiogope.
Go find yourself
Reggae na sisa ushika.
someone to play with.
Uliza Sandy.
Go find yourself
Reggae na sisa ushika.
all say you're no good
In between.
and turn you away. That's what I should do. Or to try to be smart. Broke those hearts you can. But go find yourself a simple guy. Someone in whom you can rely.
Aye, voila. Voila. Yeah, man, Sorana, if you don't know, it's all about the Jamaican night. The DJ's playing DJ Ziggy. And I said, Bounty, the artist playing right now. Super guy, them called the Zari. And it's called Mother and Child. Shoot ball, come again. Shoot.
lioness. Among the lions she dwells. Jacob she feed and carry. Maria gave her something. The dragon heard of this greatness. Come on to take the youth man life. He made it hard for them to live. Just take your time. Goodbye, South Africa. Precious mama. Precious mama Africa. Precious mama. It is clear to we the love that she performed daily in a foreign from the homeland we feel her vibe and it's so alive. Even though Babylon tried to conquer I by taking us away from the homeland down to Saddam and Gomorrah in the quicksand. Many tricks and propaganda make you wonder, take risks we find out what is really under. The mass questions of the ask about where we come from and will we go back to where we belong? Will we go back to where we belong? Precious Mama Africa. Precious Mama. Precious Mama Africa. Precious Mama.
When I left my sweet Jamaica, boy did I remember. Tanamo left this sweet Jamaica, boy did I remember. No more white rum drinking, no more calypso singing. Well, it's then I remember. Say I'm going back to Jamaica. A dash of the sun, 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 sun. When I left my sweet Jamaica, boy did I remember. Tanamo left this sweet Jamaica, boy did I remember. No more white rum drinking, no more calypso singing. Well, it's then I remember. Say I'm going back to Jamaica.
And there shall be sunshine
Every day that make you feel to play. A dash of the
sunshine.
every day.
We go so there. This is Ziggy, Ziggy Dance. Yes, that's a done. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, brother. Chunga neighbor. As yourself. Ukiweza, help your brother. Aye, come on here. Chumba, come. Tune it. This is Ziggy and Bouncy Ali Bounce. Soul for video, Jamaican night. But it's on level right now. Yes, that I done that's yeah. Hey, Kwai Maisa. Love your neighbor as yourself. Help your brother. Whoa. Ay, 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 ay. Ooh la la. We're going to me on Sunday, the Combat King. Wagwan. Rasta people dead.
Rasta lover of my soul. All vampires have to go in a them hole. Rasta lover of my soul. All Vatican.
Willow de Machilla, Skissa. Willow Machilla. DJ ndio Ziggy. Bounce ndio Killer. Sofa ndio Launch. Na umo ndio Jamaica. Skissa Nairobi. And Willow ndio Matilda. Willow Matilda. Rock your body, move your body, girl. Shake your body. I took the left, I took the right. In which way? Baby girl. You listen nothing? Eh, usiandika barua pale high school. Inaitwa a love letter. Wadada. Your love letter. A love letter. Cha. You put the address on the right hand corner. You put your name on the Rosian. Unamuitanga darling, eh? If you should lose me, Nairobi, and anything yellow man have forgets, and she name me, she name, and she name me. Love letter, King Yellow Man. Yeah. Suffering. Wapi.
Down in Africa land.
And this is a universal calling to all black
and near and far.
My people need
medical attention.
What's younger magitoni kidogo, eh? My peoples need right now. It's the Marco Chango Buddha. Watu wanasuffer mahasla. Suffering down in African land. This is a universal calling to all black
and near and far. My people need better medical attention.
My people need
better education.
Some do,
some doesn't know.
The wrong culture. Some of them know. Rastafari is a culture. It's a no. In the meantime, if I have a kid to the world, yeah, big up Baisa in there, watching live, big up Baisa. Oh yeah, Baisa tuko sulfa, woko wapi? Ziggy unajua inakuja kama gani? Inakuja kama ile ya Listen at it, Ziggy. I ask you say, and Nico Nangini Atsari, Ziggy Dats. Ladies, one time, one day, this gonna be alright. Was on fire. Aya kama una rada awe shika rada. The DJ played one is DJ Ziggy. About the band is DJ Outer Road. For the MIC, you can call me Bounty. And I kill them dead day and night, man. If you know, you know from way back Nairobi. Yo, Ziggy. Woo. Woo. Yo. Choo. Somebody.
No night, no night,
No. No nights.
no night.
Where you and Killer Friday, no nights in a sulfur. No nights in sulfur. There is no night there.
No night in a Zion. There is no
Every Friday, no nights in a sulfur. There is no night there.
no night in Zion.
Ziggy, siku flani, I was.
Starting on my journey. When I hear
I can't even afford it.
I can't afford to linger.
Something
Shining some
right someone now. Now,
now I'm a saying.
this was to you, my friend. But if you don't listen,
I and I man won't say it again.
someone,
There is no night
I'm
in
telling no
Zion.
nights
There is no night
in between.
night in a Zion. There is no night.
Ziggy Dats,
No night in Zion.
come down.
There is no night in no night in Zion. Tell my people,
Look here, do good today, and the glory will come back.
Voila, voila,
Your clean hand, and the glory
voila.
will come follow.
Yeah, man. So if you don't know by now, this is reggae made in Kenya. This is my friend, the man called Surface Priest. Come again.
Yeah, when you see God sing, then I know secret.
I make you say Ngoma, come on.
That blessed is the hand that giveth. Look here, do good,
My friend, some of them are wool,
we will come.
sheepskin.
Man, put your clean hand, and the glory will come follow. The generous hand, they shall see a better tomorrow.
What's on your face, I know.
And the glory will
In a sheepskin,
the people just
hide on you.
see them around.
Oh,
Everybody in a house,
in my eye.
they don't give a damn.
A
They
jambo.
don't care about nobody. They say that every man got to fend
Okay.
for himself, boy. They say
Ready, boys.
only God can
Yeah, Ziggy Dats, come down.
do good today, and the glory will come follow.
Yo,
Put your clean hand,
because Sabawana in there.
come follow.
skin up your teeth with eye and you don't like the Rasta dread.
Reggae
They go say we
in a tenement.
got a bag of wolf amongst the dread.
Come on, somebody, Sema.
Licky, licky,
Laba, laba, susu, susu, baksaba. Come
licky,
on,
licky,
yeah.
laba, laba, so, 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 bop, bop, bop.
Okay, Panza. Yeah, man, the Israelites are vibrating.
Like the Rasta trade. They go say we in a tenement.
The Israelites are vibrating, you know what I mean? The Israel vibration right now. Susu, susu, they my back saba.
Licky, lamba, susu.
Dipa.
Back bigger than your dad, boy.
Come on.
You wake your mouth like a 20 soul, me back
Deeper than the dark. Oh.
And now the trade when go crack you.
You better know.
Same night the stick the sheep.
Them don't run. Whoa.
Ain't when go hang round no more. Ain't when go be no scapegoat.
The super girl them Ivy in there.
Living the life you see of us pretense.
Hey.
One life is so holy, righteous.
Holy righteous can see. What you do?
Seeking special favors.
Oh, not just one Sunday.
They stab you in the back. And then you say you wasn't looking.
Say,
They stab you in the back. Want to know what's good.
yeah, man, big everybody pon party.
Put on your holy dress.
Oh, not just one Sunday.
Back to iniquity. Working from Monday. From St. Thomas right down.
Down theme.
Westmoreland. You itch up. In a hurry, Billy Van, tell me something why.
Every little thing you go.
Check the oh yeah man.
Say, oh yeah man.
Every little thing you got.
Unajua kitambo Ziggy
Check the oh yeah man.
hakukuwa na reggae mtaani. Reggae ilikuwa tao peke yake. Hizi ndio zilikuwa doba. Wanaokumbuka ulisamia sana.
Me say me bun it and pass it on the right. Me say them come in and them look and down it. Them say ain't not your dreadlocks. Where you come from? You must have two stick of sense under your tongue. Me say no, I feel so Lord, you must be. He only smokes cigarette and strict shag. Oh whoa,
Sweet.
whoa, ooh, well.
Under me sensi.
Under me sense me.
Under me. Under me sensi minya marijuana. Sasamanye.
Under me sense me. Under me sense me. Whoa. See. Whoa. 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 Hey. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Them no ramp with me. I strictly sensei. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Oh no.
Unachiki kila mtaa. Lazima ikuwe na Ilas Kona, si ndio Ziggy?
All over me, Babylon does all over
Kila mtaa lazima ikuwe na Ilas Kona.
all over me, wicked man does all over me. Oh no. See.
Have your eyeglass on. He's off for your eyeglass on. No feel no pain.
You know what I mean?
He's off for your eyeglass on. He wanna say.
Suddenly,
Sometimes you jump on your corner.
all of a sudden the police and soldiers.
Man, I feel on leaving here.
Wow.
I feel on left the good sense in me.
Hapo kwa Ilas Kona, some drinking, some smoking. Eileen,
Bingo is calling. If it's not quarreling or fighting.
the man said that was right now.
Not the right.
Soon punching.
Lord, in this eyeglass on. Love is no pain. He's off.
For the Ilas Kona.
Hear what I say. Many youth gone to prison. Serving sentence.
For no good reason.
All because of the eyeglass on.
Many youths gone to prison for no good reason. Better know.
Sometimes they jump on your corner.
All over, police and soldiers.
Man, be run left the era. He might be run left the good sense in the
Ready?
Man drinking, some smoking, gambling, bingo, see call.
Islas corner. Don't run. Whoa, whoa.
Don't run from the police.
Somebody say,
Don't run from the soldier man.
if you know that you're innocent, don't run.
From the government. Don't run from the policeman.
Yeah, man.
Run from the soldier man. Hey,
If you know.
that you're innocent.
Nilikuwa nimetulia
Oh, hey.
Ziggy,
Oh,
nilikuwa nimetulia. Wesikia,
oh,
sikia.
oh,
Bountykilla, sitting in our congregation one day. Whoa, whoa.
when all of a sudden, voice they don't know.
What's up in there? One man started.
Man, tumbling down. I end up in jail. Out the broken head.
Don't you dare run, Nairobi. Don't run from the,
Policeman, come on.
don't run from the soldier man.
Don't run from the government.
Sweets.
Don't run from the policeman. If you know that you're innocent.
In the meantime,
Down on the rocks, my brethren, down on the rocks. Down on the rocks, my sister, down on the rocks. Down on the rocks, my brethren, down on the rocks. Down on the rocks, my sister, down on the rocks. Sometime coffee, sometime
this is the wailing band, the wailing sauce right here.
liquor chocolate and a jar of weed. $1 or $2 from your good friend.
Let's go down the rocks, get familiar.
Many a day.
The selector Sarah Wowo, Sarah Pata in there.
Down on the rocks, my brethren, down on the rocks. Down on the rocks.
Na 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 yeah. I'm talking about the
It's a girl.
No matter Texas City, not because she's fine to see her.
If I think it's a girl,
No matter Texas City, right now would I take her out of the
what's she need?
girl? No matter Texas City, not because she's fine.
Rich in your spice,
Get the girl,
DJ in your Ziggy, Bountykilla, Skissa.
take her out of girl. She only need a breaking law,
This girl,
so you can see what she can.
what can you do?
She's conscious and polite, and ambitious.
Mtoto wa umo, siso, siso.
Quiet. She only wants someone to keep her.
This girl,
And she's a wife.
she's the champion.
Just give her a chance and see what she can do. This little
It's a girl,
no matter Texas,
madam wa ghetto.
because she's mine, you see your dimple, y'all. This
It's a girl,
no matter Texas, she's soft. Right now,
eh, madam wa magetoni.
get the girl.
Siku zote,
No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's mine, you see your dimple, y'all. Just get the girl. No matter Texas, she's soft.
see you later.
Even though you burn down my call of free,
Just on the one,
Jah will set the way.
and let we go away. Even though
You burn down my call of free.
roots and culture come again.
So, so, so. So, so, so.
Reggae,
Even though you burn down my call of free, Jah will set the way.
so let us go away.
Even though you burn
Yeah.
down my call of free, Jah will set the way to let it grow again. Look how I devote my time to this, oh Jah, to this, oh Jah.
I take what they mean sana. Even though
burn down my policy,
Holy Man will lie,
I
Jamin.
will set the red.
So let us go away.
Even though you burn
In the
down
meantime,
my policy, I will set the red.
one night is your what chocos is sky. What you do? Sikuni mingi. So long I've been waiting for you to come my way. Now that we are together, say maje. Unaweza piga nduru unasema hivi. Yeah. Same as his different song. There might be 14 Ziggy nuts. Ziggy nuts. If I do
Did I ever say
how I think about you,
think I never found?
no easy to do. Things that you do.
Don't need to be heard.
Right about now.
You know your actions, babe.
Wow.
Speak loud.
Bountykilla.
I've got the back.
Bring me a cup.
Pop the coke and try to when you're empty.
Up in.
Oh, we'll drink.
Oh yeah, Ziggy Skevin ngoma inaanza poa. Jamaican nights up on Rwanda in Nairobi. Ziggy and Bounty in a combination. Sulfur with them. You'll be 40, I'll be 20, eh? You'll be 40, I'll be 20, you know what I mean?
Did I ever say how I feel about you? Think I never found that easy to do.
This girl, this that you do.
Don't need to be heard. You know your actions, baby. Speak loud.
I got swats.
I got the back.
Bring me a cup.
Pop the coke and try
Sabah.
some. When you're empty, I'll feel you. Oh, we'll drink
Are you
down
do?
till the sun comes up.
Are you do?
I'm heading home.
I see you feel. When I
saw you in the arms of someone.
imagine.
A tear fell when you left me all alone and feeling
I see you feel.
when you told me that your love was not for me.
What you do?
I didn't miss the day.
Cause I miss you.
Constantly
Say,
a fool am I,
a fool
fool am I.
in love. Chukuna Gustavo super host in there.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Right there.
A tear fell when I saw
Watu wametoka shauri moyo.
someone new. A tear fell when you left me.
Ndani ya umo si usare.
A tear fell when you told me that your love was not for me.
Akulduba.
I didn't miss the day.
Bounty, I miss you.
Constantly
Say,
a fool am I, a fool am I.
sura wanga mbaya. Lakini sauti nyororo.
A teardrop
This is Jungle Dreader.
as you dance across
Eric Donaldson right now.
was crushed like my poor heart was when you walked out of my
Msani Atari.
A tear fell when you told me that the flame in your heart died.
What you do?
Darling, have I lost you as the teardrop
Usidanganywa alafu kanyang'anywa. Usidanganywa bro alafu baada akakunyang'anya. Sikiza, say Wolves in the countryside. Hey, mommy and daddy, what's a lie? So far, it was a terrible lie. Yeah, tukuna champions, my big myself man. A super host, yeah. Go to your Malibu. Say the latest, the whole phones in the country. You come here quick, mommy and daddy. Oh yeah, Ziggy miski hapo. At you come here quick. Are you sure? Right away. I better one. When them a get Tony. From where?
From day to day we live,
Trying to do what?
searching for our identity. While the rich man says we are a menace to society,
I wish they knew
but they don't know
what is life.
what it's really like. What it's really like.
In your while I'm get Tony scared.
We'll get up pain.
To face really gets up pressure. To face really gets up pain.
To face real get up
And doing sipping sun ponies right now. On and on we go.
or hate we try to uphold.
Tukona Saba, my area.
Brothers turn to crime,
Big what are you doing there?
killing each other for a dime.
Listen now.
While the oppressor says that turning to politics is the only way.
At the glowing glow.
We face real ghetto pain.
Aha.
We face real ghetto pressure.
And we go select this glow in the party tonight.
We face real.
I welcome here, super girl them glow.
One day the table will turn to all men out there. Beware for all barriers will
Yo!
on and on we go.
Welcome like my people dance.
Or hate we try to
Selector.
our brothers turn to crime.
Come like I've got cheers to it. Watch them.
Tunasana pepe.
Welcome like my people dance.
Ziggy dance.
DJ
Ziggy.
Watch them.
Tunasana pepe. Tukisikiza reggae.
Them sue me for a child, it no worth. Them sue me for a child, it
Right about now.
singing that I'm I get a song. Welcome like my people dance. I get me now, holy problem. Minute the man them have me for water again. Shit come like I've got cheers for the
Yo!
Watch them. Singing that a murder in the place.
I said it at a
Murder in the place. Them sue me for a child, it no worth.
people there.
Them sue me for a child, it no worth.
Accidents.
Singing that a murder in the place. Saying that a next week is the case.
See that?
Singing that a murder in the place. Singing that a next week is the case. Mountain is business only style. Say man you got to watch your while. Come on down a rap it down in child. I see no bad that bust no style. Me when I singing that a murder in the place. Singing that
We know a single time, Nairobi.
yeah, down round and give up me we come round and me.
Jamaican nights.
Get up is a slow coach.
You're moving out too slow.
Get up of the slumbering. There ain't much
One of me was sulfur.
you got to stand.
And be a man. Let the nation
Know your plan.
know.
This world is in a crisis.
Seeking humanity. Me look into the Middle East. There is no sign of peace.
Heat and rain, oh,
MC Big is there.
and it
Big up Biggie, big up.
be for long.
Ibambe, Ibambe.
The snow goes, welcome
Ah,
the sun.
cha.
Try to do some good work. There's plenty to be done. Giving praises unto the King. See the joy
Oya Biggie.
of can bring.
Anataka kuona t-shirt ya Ibambe, Ibambe kwani. In the meantime, Ibambe, Ibambe.
Just when I decide to change.
How you do? You turn me down, baby.
Just when I decide to change.
Oh, darling.
You let me down, baby. Never take you to the dance.
And I take you to the show.
Baby,
And I take you any place.
that you really wanna.
Aye. Hey, DJ Ziggy umepata mpoa, si ndio? Umempeleka kwa Buda, ukampeleka kwa madhe kidogo wamjue, sia?
Just when I decide to change.
Hata wiki haijaisha
You turn me down.
asha kucheza akakutoka.
When I decide to change. You let me
Utambiaje madhe ulitokwa?
never take you to the dance.
And I take you to the show.
Baby, never take you
Utabiaje mzae ulitokwa?
to really wanna go.
Skiza. Yesterday we were planning, and today we are partying. Yesterday we were planning, and today we are partying. What am I gonna do?
What you gonna tell your daddy say?
Utambiaje madhe?
Yesterday we were planning
Skiza. Today we are.
party. Yesterday we were planning. Today we are party. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna
Harufu ya pilau imeanza kunuka Ziggy.
Just when I decide
Aya tuionjeshe pilau kwani.
to turn me down. Just when I decide to change.
Anyway,
Anyway, we go in on the old white bird. They must be
come away.
even though them a fight by soul.
Yes, we're holding tight, man.
I just a
Hold on tight and we now let's go. Ziggy and Bountykilla. Hold on.
town and we rule.
And if we go downtown,
And we rule.
eskia atawalete disaster. Watajua sisi wa rasta.
But a murder we talk.
Ay. Ay.
Musical murder.
Nanikumbusha ndugu yangu anaitwa Rambo.
Musical murder.
The musical mother, yeah?
Anyway, we go in on the old white bird.
You must come away. Even though them are like so. We got to hold on tight and we now let's go. Sulfur, Jamaican nights. Hold on,
Town and
we rule. And if we go downtown, we rule.
but them no want to see I prosper.
Because me at Sunday.
Them just a call down disaster.
Because me at Sun.
But a murder we charge for.
Ini yako mili mi at Sun.
They wanna murder.
Ini ya masoja. Necessary.
Musical murder.
Deliciousness. Necessary. When it's
Anyway, we go
unseen.
in on the old white bird. They must come away.
Come down.
Even though them a fight I so.
Come down.
I just a hold on tight till I'm not let go.
Selector.
Hang on tight till I'm not let go. And if you go uptown, and we rule.
Without you, better be without you. Militancy, viciousness, unnecessary. Militancy, viciousness. I go for viciousness. It's the time. It's a rubber dub side. Rubber dub, now me why? Now me why? And it's a rubber dub side. Rubber dub, why? Selector, come down. Ay, 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 ay. Tunix. Woo. Love child. This is Marco Wire right now. Auka, Kenya. 254. Salamu imus. Salamu imu Ziggy, sindio. I bless my room way now. In the morning, say a prayer. Bless my room, Nairobi. Siku ilikuwa ni moja. Siku moja nilizanifuata.
Chuki umekutaza, matendo ya wengine kwako nayo ya kukata.
Reggae ni ya Kenya, the Marco Wire Love Child.
Una macho weongea na Mola, umweleze nini kitakutoa
kwenye hili shida
ndio kushika.
Sikia
mama yako pia rafiki yako.
In the morning I bless my room. When I woke up early in the morning time, hey, ukirauka ngware washa kifore kwani, alafu piga sala yako polite, wejua jaja kadiri. Kama sio jaja atungekuwa tumejaja. Bless my room right about now.
Come not to use, come not to use, come not to use and pray with me.
Sissy, prayer. Twende kanisa kidogo Ziggy. Sa. Yo. Mikupenda sagodi. I love you, Lord.
For your mercy never failed me.
Imagine.
All my days I've been held in your hand.
Asubuhi ngware.
From the moment
that I wake up, till I lay my head,
I will sing
of the goodness of God. Kwa hii maisha
all my life you have been faithful.
sagode imekuwa mpoa.
All my life you have been so
So good.
with every breath that I am able. Oh, I will sing of
The goodness of God.
I love your voice.
Awaidi. Twende Mombasa, Nairobi. Hello. Twende Mombasa kidogo, sio? Hey, what did you say? I heard you whisper to me. So love, no love, so we can.
What did you say?
This is a man called Eddie Lopez right now.
Mr. C.
Mr. C, I heard you whisper
to me.
While I
say night.
Mambo na bado wejua.
Your light.
Tuko na selected Sunday.
We can see the sound.
Coming next your way. Bonchi, I'm here.
Just like the time.
In a sofa, I am taking a ride. Going nowhere.
Looking for tomorrow.
Where? Msanii unimaliza anaitwa Eddie Lovitz, wejua sauti tu. Lala, I'm alright. Wow.
For me.
Anaitwa Eddie Lovitz.
Doing things in my.
Are you alright?
My own time.
Say, hey, hey, hey.
I'm here just like the time, and I'm taking a ride, going nowhere, looking for tomorrow.
Yo, a better one, another one. Oh, give us the power. Send me some power. The Wailing Souls. The leader. Oh, Shalua. It shall burn fire. Burn. Easy no man, the Chico Brothers. Meantime,
Same folks you had, they
put you where you are today.
tomorrow, they just might take it away.
Same folks,
The same folks you had, they
put you where you are today.
tomorrow, they just might take it away.
People, what you do? People don't stop to think about
How they got where they are. They're too busy living
Mojo. Danny, a party big Mojo.
movie star.
Ain't no time to understand.
They too busy seeking glory. When the poor man needs
An empty hand.
they call it a hard story. The same folks you had, they
Put you where you are.
today.
My Sunday, yeah.
Tomorrow, they just might take it away.
It sounds up in loud, Daddy.
The same folks
Pindua.
that put you where you are today.
Geusa.
Tomorrow, they just
Adisia nzoti simsim kasapta. Mr. Francis. Constantly. Mr. Girlin. Listen now.
Ivan Mitchell Francis, IMF for short was it?
Mtoto wa kipekee. Mr. Girlin.
MJ, a young and a sexy.
Just imagine, man.
J for Janice Allen, they just get she independent.
Ice for one.
So Ivan Mitchell Francis decided he go take it.
What's young ya Kiambu?
I is for Ivan.
Sio Rodraro and Lord Laro.
M is for my money, and I could help you find out.
What's young ya Central?
But when it come to the F,
Sio Rodraro
Ivan don't see no.
and Lord Laro.
I and the M is alright, but it's the F we have right.
You know what?
Cause when me see the F, I no mind I tell me say me have to live.
Lord.
Mama get me crepe and make me put it down and step. Yeah.
Say artist different song.
They say women will rule this world in time to come. It will be a head over thing.
And to see a woman ruling, she has band.
Saying you got to wash.
Don't forget to cook.
Or see about the children and all. Because she have to go to play cricket. Imagine
men washing the dishes, women going to work.
Then your wife come home drunk on payday,
beats you up.
She ain't making jokes.
To not imagine women organizing
beauty contest for we.
Ziggy kwenye bikini.
Hard for fellas like me walking cross.
Ziggy na bikini. Imagine. Ni mwisho wa mwezi Ziggy. Mtu wako amelipwa mshahara anaenda luta sulfa.
Women government.
Analewa usiku mchana. Anarudi maeria asubuhi.
Only discussing people business. Will be she say.
Anadai kukutemea taxina.
That they say that all of them say.
Una imagine
The Prime Minister, you know she cooked saltfish yesterday.
Imagine
men washing the dishes.
Woman them.
Women want to work, and the wife sit down in the rumba, cracking them dirty. Imagine you have a wild woman.
Tuko na Filipo wale wa shisha. Tuko Filipo there. Right about now. Tenements yard. I can't find Kwanza sai, cost of living gets so high.
Food prices rise to the top.
Imagine
The country suffers such a terrible politicians tell you that they
Sister Sophia John.
Sophia
John. Tenement.
I can't find a cent, but I have to pay my rent tonight.
Sarah Tibwe.
Hungry children on the streets, shining car windows, no shoes on their feet, while the rich boys' children are dressed to play. For people, children suffer and live long days, but I ain't gonna give in. I have been living in a yard.
In a tenement yard, I can't find a
cent, but I have to pay my rent in a yard, tenement yard. To be ambitious is just a waste. I tell you this, a system is a big disgrace. Down here on the rock, they suffer from greed. Them young people come from a different breed, but I ain't gonna give in.
It's so
I have been
strange.
living in a yard.
In the meantime,
I can't find a cent, but I have to pay my rent in a yard, tenement yard.
Isn't it strange how princes is and kings can clown their capers in sawdust and rings? Just like poor people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, shapeless life, and a book of rules. Each must make his life as flowing in, tumbling back on the stepping stone. Just like poor people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools,
shapeless minds in the book of rules.
pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Yeah. Pow, 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 pow.
Soon again.
It's so strange
princes is and kings.